Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. It's on trend to use garden flowers in your work. How to do that? Start with a hydration chamber. So I've got a plastic container, put a damp paper towel, then take each bloom and just cut it. Set it in there. Kalanchoes are fabulous. Violas, pansies, so many different things you can use, but just cut them, set them in. Then once you have that done, go back with another damp paper towel and put it across the top. Then seal that and place it in the cooler. Keep it cold for 24 hours, and when you take it out, it's ready to design and they'll last so well. If you don't have a plastic container, a Ziploc baggie will work. You just want an airtight, humidity-filled container, and they'll last so well. Now you know how the pros do it.